Okay, so here is the thing. We need to head over to our Safari, open our Safari, and then type in download Ventura DMG. So remember that the operating system always comes in DMG file, which is as a disk. Now select the first link, which is the techreacher.com. Scroll down to where you see the media file. We are needed to download the media file. Now select download. Bear it in mind that this might take a while because it's around 11.13 gigabytes. Allow. So you can download any other operating system, which is your own choice. So this actually works for all operating system. Already I have the file being downloaded already in my desktop or in my MacBook. So I had to stop this. And let's minimize this. From my desktop, you can see that I have my flash drive, my USB flash drive here, and also have the Mac operating system which I downloaded, which is the DMG. So when you double tap on this, you will see inside the DMG, after being mounted, there is an application called Install Mac OS Ventura .app, which is an app. So now let's drag and drop our app into the application folder by opening the application folder, drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Already I have done that, so there is no need of me dragging and dropping again, so I had to stop this. Now next thing we need to do is to open up our terminal. Okay, let's close this and close this also. Alright, so open up our terminal from the search button. You can open up your terminal. You can also open up your terminal from your launchpad if you don't want to, go through this, so you can see the terminal from the other. So the first thing you need to do is to type in sudo and give a space. When you type in the sudo, right click while holding the option key. Now in there you see show package contents, and then enter into contents, enter into resources, and here you will see a file called create media installer. Drag and drop. Now give a double dash volume to select the exact volume where you want to install, and a space. Just drag the volume, which is the USB flash, into it. And another thing, give a double dash again and type the application path, which will be selecting the application, which is the app or .app. Remember, the installation media comes as DMG, but here we'll be selecting the app, which is the app. So now let's open the folder where we make the drag and drop, or where we dropped in the installation media, which is the app. I think I kept it here. Here again. Okay, all we need to do is to drag the application into the terminal, the whole application. So let's do a drag and drop again, and then click enter. Have it in mind that you'll be typing in your password because your MacBook will be requesting for your password. I'm sorry for the noise that will be coming from the background. So now you type in your password. It will show up as the more you are typing. So let's click yes, and it will erase every data. So while doing this, make sure that you actually copy out everything that you needed to be moved from the flash drive or the important stuff, and then click Y for yes. It will erase the disk or erase your USB flash drive. Now you can see it's now copying the recovery. or is copying everything that is in the Ventura into the USB flash. Why it keeps creating and compressing a whole lot of things. There's a whole lot of process that is doing. So this might take a while depending on your MacBook. So 50%. All right, everything has been installed successfully, and the bootable USB flash has been created. So now what we'll be doing is to change the icon of the USB flash drive into the icon we are seeing. So from here you can see everything has been installed completely. You can see. So we are good to go. Next is changing the icon of the USB to the icon in the Ventura, like making it a Ventura icon. So for that, we'll be um we'll be using the bootable DMG or the application which we downloaded to do that. So from here you can see when I open my USB, you can see that exact thing you saw in the DMG is something that you are seeing in my USB, meaning that it has been created successfully. So for that now, we all have to do is to go to my application folder. Okay, here I think we can do it from here. So let's head down to my application folder, right click while holding the option key, and then scroll down to where you will see get info. You can also do that by holding the command button and the I button all along. So the command and I, you can see that same thing we needed to do in this USB. All right, now head over to the icon, hold the command and the C to copy, and head over here and hold the command V to paste. Command copy, paste here. All right, now you can see we have successfully changed our USB icon to the Ventura installation. So let's test our USB uh, installation to see if that it worked. So turn on your system while holding the option key. Wow, you can see it has the hard disk where the Mac OS is being installed and the USB with its icon. Let's select this to see. Okay, here is installing the or is booting up from the USB installation. So meaning that everything went well. Just to give you some time. So I'll be dropping another tutorial on how to create or how to install a Mac operating system on on any Mac operating or MacBook. So every MacBook has its own compatibility. Now please I don't want to go too long. You can see everything work out well. So please, if you like this video, please like, comment, and also share. And I will make more of these videos. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate. Have a wonderful day.